An enclosed 3D printer traps heat inside, creating a stable environment that's perfect for printing high-temperature materials like ABS, nylon, or PC. It helps prevent warping, reduces noise, and adds a layer of safety, especially around kids or pets. An open-frame printer, like most entry-level models, is cheaper, easier to access, and great for beginners printing PLA or PETG. However, it's more affected by room temperature and drafts, so if you need material versatility and better print quality, go enclosed. For learning and basic prints, open frame is just fine,